I am not ashamed of films I love. You know that I'm the only person who loved Befikre, right? I'm the sole defender of Befikre, and I've been trolled for it for years.
One movie, because you'll have to see the movies in a very different form from how we see, from a larger perspective. But still, as a critique, the movie felt different. But as a guilty pleasure, there is one movie that, oh my god, I'm gonna watch this.
No, listen, I am not ashamed of films I love. So there's no guilty pleasure. I love these films and I love them you know that I'm the only person who loved Befikre, right? I'm the sole defender of Befikre, and I've been trolled for it for years.
Please tell me about Baghi 3. I literally watched it in the theatre.
Yeah, Baghi 3 was a slightly tough one.
Very.
But I have to say that I've never seen Tiger Shroff crying in cinema. And I was kind of surprised by how vulnerable they made him, which was interesting. But I think that for me, it's not that, oh, this is a movie I admire as a critic and this is a movie I admire as a regular person, because they're both the same, right? So like if I love K3G, I love K3G. I love it. Like, even once in a while I go and watch Suraj Hua Madham, and it's just so beautiful and so, it just makes me happy. And why be ashamed of that?
Brilliant. And you come home to somebody who makes films.
Yes.
Has it ever happened that you have criticized or critically seen one of your films, and then you guys were having dinner together? How do you manage that?
No, so look, I don't review Vinod's films ever, because it's a conflict of interest, right? Professionally, it's a conflict of interest. So I don't do it. Of course, personally, we sit down and I tell him what I think, I tell him what works and what doesn't work. And usually he's very open to it. And of course, if he's very, like with 12 Fail, he was very sure of what he was doing. And I was the one who was unsure. And I was like, really? You think people would come to a theatre and watch this? He said, yes, and they did. So I was completely wrong. And so he led with conviction, which is how filmmakers have to work.
Thank you so much. Had a lovely conversation with you, and I have to tell you, are lovelier in person.
Thank you. And you're amazing too, and I love what you're wearing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So that was Anupama and Sudeepta on Red FM Bookmarked.